Known for their high quality 3D scans, the folks at 1024 have recently teased their nice new character tool which will be coming out possibly next year. Now the folks at 1024 are known for their high quality realistic looking 3D characters which you can find literally on so many movies, games and shows. Now for those who have no idea, we've already talked about some of the cool things that they've done before. Now one of those times we did talk about the 1024 sample scan, which of course you can actually go ahead and get, and this is a high quality scan which is totally free. Comes with 16K maps, which is heavy in terms of textures. All the files are currently available, so whether you're looking for the ZBrush package, the OBJ, the raw package, or maybe you just want a complete one which comes with literally everything, you can get it. They are still the very same folks that own the 3D scan store, which is also a website that we've talked about before, and you possibly know this website if you're looking for high quality realistic 3D character scans. So whether you're looking for head scans or maybe you're looking for just body scans, they do have high quality captured ones. At the same time, they do have some hairstyle stuff as well. Now all of the models that they have here can be used in different DCC tools. So whether you're thinking about using them for Unreal Engine or maybe you just want to use them in Maya, Blender, all that stuff, yes you can. At the same time, they do have high quality textures as well. So whether you're looking for, face texture, body textures, they do have all of that. They also have displacement maps, and all of these are from high quality realistic scans. We're talking about that because their brand new tool, which they just teased on X, seems to be coming out sometime next year. And it's pretty interesting because what this allows you to do is create 3D models based off images. Yes, we've seen this in various tools. Now, the way this is happening is this is running based off their SP6M dataset, which they've been capturing for months. I was opportunity to visit them, and it is pretty interesting how the capture section actually is. And they've done a lot of capturing. Now, within the capture, they're not just capturing data, they're capturing and maintaining identical topology, UV layouts, and vertex correspondence across all the headshots that they're capturing. At the same time, they're trying to make sure that everything looks clean and can be used across different tools as well. And in terms of the expressions, they're not just capturing still expressions, they're capturing all of the possible expressions that is needed, all 11 expressions that are primarily needed. So from sadness to anger, surprise, fear, disgust, happiness, all of that has been captured. All expressions have been processed and the texture size is 16K. And so this is a mammoth project. In terms of the textures that we just talked about, all textures are being captured and processed to align with shared mesh topology and UV layout, which allows textures to be transferred seamlessly across various identities. Now, this whole thing that they're working on, as much as they're creating a data set of headshots, or should I say data set of heads, which can be used in various applications, I kind of think that one of the end goals here is making it easy for creators to make realistic looking characters. And as much as they've built all of the things that you need in terms of building those realistic characters that can be used in various DCC apps, creating a tool that will allow you go from image to high quality 3D model is something that I think is worth it. And this seems to be something that they're building and will be shipping sometime in 2027. So for those who like to see this one, of course, you can simply go over to the link in the description and read about it. Now on X, they've actually gone through to reply to some of this comment, which is also giving answers to some questions that you possibly will be asking. So the original idea is scanning 10,000 heads, and now they've already scanned over 7,600 individual people with 11 expressions that we've mentioned. And this is huge because everything seems to be going around 80,000 scans. In terms of topology, they're doing things properly. So we just talked about the topology, and these will be shipping with 8K textures possibly when this comes out. Yep, there is a whole thing about, some stuff having tattoos and stuff. And I think this is the early test. Hopefully things gets cleaned up over time. And, for those who like to get more context about these things, you can simply come through, read up all about it. I believe this is definitely going to change how we get to create 3D models. Yes, we've seen some very cool tools as well, like the headshot tool from Revolution, which is pretty amazing by the way. And this in itself seems to have some updates, which is also going to be coming pretty soon. And of course, it is one tool that I would definitely recommend that you explore. On the other hand, this other tool looks promising. I mean, it doesn't give you the whole full body stuff. If this comes out and hopefully delivers on promise, then we'll be having a chance to exploring a nice cool tool that would allow you go from image to full high quality 3D model with all the details that you need in a couple of seconds. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at this, or possibly you'd like to read up on some of the stuff that folks at 1024 have done, Or maybe you like to get the 1024 package. On the other hand, if you like to take a look at some of their free stuff, from the free MetaHuman identity all the way to some free base meshes that we've already mentioned on the channel before, links to this as well, it's going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.